On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means?
The wig they sent me is their 24-inch body wave textured wig. The lace on this wig is a 7x5 closure, and this is considered their Byebye knots wig. It came with pre-bleached and pre-plucked knots, and the lace already came pre-cut for me. And it also has a removable elastic band on the back to make sure that the wig stays in place and does not shift around. Now let's go ahead and try this wig on. If you watched my last hair tutorial, you know I literally burned my forehead, so please don't mind that mark on my forehead, y'all. I tried to cover it with makeup, but I didn't do such a good job. Anyway, the hair feels super soft. The hair is 200% density, so it is pretty full. I'm just gonna go ahead and comb through it, and I'm gonna curl this wig with my flat irons. I always get questions about why I use my flat irons instead of a curling iron to curl my hair. So I do use my curling irons sometimes, but it's just my preference. I really do prefer using these particular flat irons that I'm using now. As you can see, I use them in almost every video. I actually got these flat irons off of Amazon, so I will put the link to them in my Amazon storefront, and I will put that in the description as well. So I did finish up curling my entire head, and I will say that this hair curls really nicely. As you can see, I'm just going ahead and combing through those curls. I wanted this hair to stay like a body wave look. I wanted like that loose body wave type of beach wave look. The only thing I really have to get together now is the top of the hair, like the top of the lace, lay down the top of my hair. So I'm going ahead and spraying some sheen on my hair just to give it a nice little shine. Then I'm taking my hot comb and just pressing that hair on the top nice and flat, like as flat as I can. I love that these wigs now are so much easier to just pop on and go. As you can see, I literally took it out of the box and I didn't have to do much with it. I think I'm in like my minimal era, y'all. So I haven't been doing like baby hairs or anything like that. Literally just like throw on and go wigs. I just think it gives like grown, like it looks more grown. I love it. So this is pretty much the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten out the part a little bit better. And yeah, as you can see, it's completely glueless. I did not add any hairspray, any gel, any mousse, nothing. Like, this is one of those wigs that if you're a beginner, you can do it yourself. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I love it. Like I said, I'm getting into my minimal era, so I feel like it gives like grown woman, no baby hairs, super easy to put on, take off. I didn't have to use any glue, any adhesives, no gels, no mousse, no nothing like that. I literally just put her on, and I can take her off right before bed, put her on my mannequin head, and she'll still be ready for me to put her back on tomorrow. So shout out to BeautyForever for sending me over this really beautiful body wave wig. Again, guys, this is their Byebye Knots wig. If you are interested in purchasing or checking out any other wig from their hair company, I will leave their details down below in my description box, as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me some feedback down below in my comment section. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.